Hello friends, welcome to new another video. This video I teach you emergency for settings for Facebook. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you see Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Today this video I show 4 settings. Who sent you friend request, 1, then 2, who see your friend list, then 3, who can look up using the email and your property, and others who can look up using phone number or provide. So let's see this video. First need to go Facebook homepage. So I go Facebook homepage. Then you see app have 3 line. You click this 3 line. Then scroll down and you see setting and piracy. You click these settings and piracy. There you see this kind of interface. You see settings, you click these settings. This time you click these settings, you see this kind of interface. Then scroll down, then scroll down, and you see how people can find and contact you. You click this. This time you click this, show you this kind of interface. First you see who can send you friend request. If you of this only friend and friend, others cannot send you friend request. So need to do, if you want only your friend and friend request, need to do this. You click this friend of friends. Then go back. Then second, who can see your friend list. If you want to hide your friend list, you can do this. You click this, who can see your friend list. Now have public, but need to do only me. If you do only me, others your friend cannot see your friend list. Then 3, who can look you up using the email address you provide. You click this. Now have everyone look your provide, but if you want hide, you put only me. You click this only me. If you put only you, cannot use others. Then 4th, who can look up the phone number you provide. If you don't want the others man don't use your phone number, you need to put only me. You click this only me. Then go back and go also Facebook homepage. What happened? I want to see what happened is Facebook page. Now you see add to storage, have not option for send friend request, because your friend request is now hide. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.